scopes can get covered in dew, and that causes things to get rusty. So over the course of time, you want to get that replaced. We've purchased a kit from ScopeStuff, and I'll put a link for that in the description. What we're looking at is a bunch of images that are where all of the screws are. These are showing everything as they have been already replaced. There are some that come in the ScopeStuff kit. There are a select few things that are not included, so you'll have to source those separately, but it's worthwhile doing it sooner rather than later. In fact, I could not get some of the screws out in a couple of positions, in particular this image, the one at the bottom, I couldn't get out. So better to do it sooner rather than later. All these things are stainless, so I would use those. I've put this diagram on GitHub repos as a PDF, so you can just go and grab that from there.